Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best griddle pans on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Lodge Pro Grid Reversible Grill or Griddle. If, like me, you love anything with multiple uses, you need to consider the Lodge Reversible Pro Grid Iron Grill / Griddle Pan. Made in the US, fitting over 2 stovetop burners, you can use it as a grill pan on one side and a griddle pan on the other. Plus, this is a godsend for larger households. You'll be able to cook more pancakes than you could in a regular-sized skillet. And the grill on the other side isn't only great for grilling meat, but also shrimp, vegetables, and even pizza. Users say it takes about 10 minutes to heat up, but once it does, it retains heat very well and cooks food quickly and with more flavor than regular skillets, they claim. Materials: cast iron, dimensions 20 into 10.5 into 0.8 inches, cooktop compatibility, electric, gas, induction, grill, oven safe? Yes, to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. What we love. Can't beat the price for its versatility. What we don't love. Heavy, doesn't always heat up evenly, some reviewers say it cracked after several uses. Number 2. Second best pick is Finex Cast Iron Double Burner Griddle. I've been a big fan of Portland-based cookware company Finex for years. The small team puts out beautiful, high-quality cast iron, including a cast iron griddle that makes it easy to cook everything from pancakes to paninis to salmon. It comes pre-seasoned with organic flaxseed oil and is non-stick and rust-resistant. This is the griddle you buy once and never have to worry about buying again. And those handles that are oh so quirky not only stay cool for a long time but also cool off quickly, and they're ergonomically designed, too. A bonus, the angled sides make it easier to maneuver food with your spatula. Materials: cast iron, dimensions 22 into 12.25 into 2 inches, cooktop compatibility, electric, gas, induction, grill, oven safe? Yes, to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. What we love. Modern design but heirloom quality, handles stay cool for a long time. What we don't love. A serious splurge, extremely heavy. Number 3. Third best pick is GreenPan Prime Midnight Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Nonstick. In a nice manageable size, this ceramic non-stick square griddle heats up quickly and cleans even faster, perfect for those hectic weekdays when you need to get breakfast or dinner on the table lickety split. I also like that there's no rivet on the interior of the pan, so your pancakes or tofu scramble won't snag, and its stay cool handle offers a comfy grip. My one qualm: while I love the stay cool handle, I do wish it wasn't made out of a plastic-based material. Still, this is definitely a steal for its low price, and it's even heating and easy cleanup. It's dishwasher safe. Materials: ceramic and aluminum, Bakelite handle, dimensions 18 into 11 into 3.3 inches, cooktop compatibility, electric, gas, induction, grill, oven safe? Yes, up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. What we love. Very affordable for the quality, stay cool handle. What we don't love. Doesn't feel as sturdy as some of the other options on this list. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Cuisinart GR 4NP1 5-in-1 Griddler. Cuisinart's 5-in-1 Griddler is a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half grill / half griddle. The griddler plates, 11-inch into 9-inch, are removable, reversible, and are dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking plates. The plates also act as a drain for the grease for cooking more healthy. The integrated drip tray collects grease and is easy to store. Red/green indicator lights for easy operation, dishwasher-safe scraping tool for easy cleanup, and an instruction manual with gourmet recipes for you to enjoy. Sturdy panini-style handle with hinged floating cover adjusts to thickness of food, selector knob choose grill or griddle function, and the adjustable temperature controls for grill or griddle. What we love. Very versatile, easy to clean. What we don't love. May not work for small kitchens, tricky to fit in smaller cabinets. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Nordic Ware Stovetop Backsplash Griddle. Easy cleaning, high sides to flip those pancakes and eggs, and a classic design make this Nordic Ware griddle the best for those looking for a non-stick option. Plus it's an excellent wallet-friendly choice. But be forewarned, this won't work on your induction stovetop and is only oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The lack of an actual handle also makes this tricky to set out on a table for a big pancake breakfast. Materials: cast aluminum. Dimensions: 20 into 12 into 1.9 inches high. Cooktop compatibility: electric, gas, grill, oven safe? Yes, to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. What we love: high sides make flipping pancakes and eggs easy, affordable and durable. What we don't love: no actual handle. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.